Hello guys! In today's video, we're going to be unboxing a Ferrari. This Ferrari just came out. It's actually brand new on Amazon. And I decided to do a little treat for my kids and actually get them one. So let's get started. Hey guys, so let's get ready to open this box up. Alright, open it up. We have this cardboard box protecting the car. It looks like most of it is already assembled. We have looks like the windshield. Wow. Here's the rest of the car. I must say guys, this is about the best design and like how heavy it is, and I could feel that it's such a quality car that I've ever seen, guys. So let's go ahead and actually get it out of the plastic. Alright guys, here are all the parts in question. We got the steering wheel right here. We got the windshield. We got the leather seat. Look how beautiful it is. Rastar brand. And then we got this beautiful Ferrari over here with its wheels. Everything in place. And here are the rear pieces. Here we have a bag of tools and stuff to use. Look at that Ferrari badge. Beautiful diffuser. Nice LED lighting. Everything lights up. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Don't you want to be a kid right now? Look, you even got the doors that actually lift up. They're locked right now, but you basically, the doors actually work and they lift up. And then they close down. So we got the scissor doors or butterfly doors, whatever you want to call them. Look at that. Beautiful. Jason, let's lift that door up. Lift it up. Here, you can open it. You have to press that button. And now lift it up. We got the carbon fiber trim on the inside. Carbon fiber dash. Honeycomb flooring. We got the pedal right there. Here's the battery box and all the cables. And this is the seat release. Here we have the charging port. Beautifully hidden. And then we have some controls over here, all kinds of stuff. We got the forward, we got the D1, D2, reverse. Really nice. We got the engine start button. And let's do one more observation. Amazing. A dream car for adults, a reality for kids. So we're going to be using this cardboard to flip it on its back so we could actually assemble all the wheels, and we're not going to get it scratched. Okay, so let's see if we could figure out which tires are for the back, which ones for the rear. Can you guess, guys? Let's look at the tires, let's compare them. So it looks like we have these pieces here.
It's not supposed to snap. So it's supposed to.
Okay, this one's snapped in. This one's good.
This is good.
Hey guys, the tires, they look very same, but they actually very different. These are the rear tires that's got the big bolt pattern right here. And here's the release button. So you basically press the button on and you can just basically just snap them on like that. I'm not gonna go on. Then we're gonna put that one on. Hey guys, looks like we have a baggie here. This is the music type of cable. This is if you have a smartphone or an iPod device, you could actually plug this in, listen to music. And we have some, looks like some supplies, baby supplies. I don't know what this is, but maybe some glue. Maybe if something falls off, I don't know. Let's see what's inside. We got the charging cable. Look at that, we got the charging cable. And guess what, guys? Here is where the charging cable goes. Look at this. Come over here, guys. Look, a fuel tank. Looks like you got a Tesla. And you plug it in over here. And you plug it into your port. And you charge it along with your Tesla. How about that? If you have a Tesla at home, it's electric. This is an electric Ferrari for your kids. Jason, aren't you excited? Okay. So guys, right now we're basically assembling this whole car without using any of the instructional stuff. Obviously there's an on button and an off button. We got the horn button over here. We have the electronic display that's over here. So kind of wondering how that's all gonna work. But I'm wondering if I could just simply insert the steering wheel and like have it snap in or something. I really don't know that. So it looks like we have a release button over here. So that's pretty much on right there. So wow, it looks like they're really doing this simple. So underneath over here we got the battery box. Looks like we need to connect this wire here. So let's see here. That is on. Basically you could remove this plastic piece just in case. Let's test it, see if it's actually running. Hold on. Okay, so that's actually working. Okay, let's install the seat. Seat has seat belts, so you want to make sure.
So cute.
Okay, so we're going to need to install the seat by adjusting this front pieces first, and then we're gonna snap it in over here. Okay, so make sure you strap in. I mean, you are riding a Ferrari after all. I'm not sure what this piece is at, but we're gonna find out. So let's take care of the windshield. So it looks like it's just simply insert it in the front, adjust it, and then you're gonna need to come in over here and push these tabs in like that. So the windshield on. Like wow, we assembled most of the car. We haven't even used anything in the bag. So it looks like we have more pieces there, but let's see what these are right here. So it looks like these are the wings. You got it, okay. Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be assembling this Ferrari. And if you're actually getting ready to buy one, guys, this is actually very easy to assemble. We assembled the entire thing with no instruction. However, we're giving you guys all the instructions in this video how to assemble this car. The only thing we haven't figured out is where does this plastic piece goes? We haven't looked at the instruction, but this was certainly inside. And then you could see we got the whole package closed over here with the instruction booklet. So let's see what we're missing. So inside, oh yeah, look at this. Oh, this is a treat. This is a treat right here. Look at this. Guys, you know what this is? This is a remote control for parents to control their kids or your dog. If you bought this for your dog, you can control your dog. If you bought this for your baby, you could strap him in. There's seat belts inside, and you could control your baby. Give him the fun of his life. Give him the ride of his life. Jason, isn't excited? If you're gonna be driving this car, Kevin could be controlling you. If Kevin's gonna be riding, you're gonna control him. Isn't it exciting? You're gonna choose where he's gonna turn his car. All right. So we're gonna need some batteries. Looks like there's just AA's. Let's see if they're included. Let's first set this remote down. Pull the instruction manual out. Looks like we got the music. So we have the music cable. This is to plug your iPhone into the car. Can we get the drum roll, please? Look at this Ferrari for kids, guys. Look how amazing it is. What a beautiful design. Beautiful lines. LED lighting. A rear diffuser. All the Ferrari badges that you could expect. We got the rims. We got the Ferrari brakes. We have the scissor doors. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Check it out, guys. We got the Ferrari steering wheel, and guess what? That is actually lighting up. Your speedometer dash. Guys, can somebody start this thing? Press the start button. right, so looks like we have the appropriate sound. So we have lots of buttons there. That's a horn. You like this car?
Yeah.
What do you think? Isn't this awesome?
Yeah.
Are you excited to ride it? Okay, let's put the doors down. Put your seatbelt on. Guys, it is a leather seat, by the way. Look at the seating. It is leather. It is beautiful. And you can have it too. I have a link in the description, guys. I got this for my kids for being good boys and helping their daddy. Look at that LED lighting, guys. They're coming on. They just came off right now. Okay, Jason, you could just race. Come on, go. Okay, go. Jason, is it fun? Jason. All right, Kevin, it's your turn. Hop in. Oh man, look at that. We haven't charged up the battery, guys. This is the battery power that it's actually came with in the box. So it is charged out of the box. So we need to charge up the battery some.